How to fix this action won't work on multiple selections in Excel. This error typically occurs when trying to perform an action on multiple selected cells in Excel that is only supported on a single cell selection. Here are some ways to resolve it. If you're trying to apply formatting, like bold, font color, etc., you can only do this for one cell at a time. You'll need to apply the formatting to each cell individually. For actions like setting a cell's value or formula, you can only do one cell at a time. Consider filling the formula/values across multiple cells using drag and fill instead. Check the documentation for the action you are trying to perform. Many Excel features work on a single cell or row/column only. Try using a different method that works on multiple cells like find/replace or conditional formatting to apply changes. You may be able to select all the cells first, then perform the action on the entire selection together. But this depends on the specific action. Consider using VBA/macros to automate applying the change across multiple cells if needed. Break up the selected cells into individual selections and perform the action separately on each group. Essentially, if getting this error, the action needs to be adapted to work on single cells or alternate methods used for multiple cells. Pay attention to Excel's support for selections when performing the operation.